Hello guys, so I'm going to get on with it. I'm continuing with the Greek theme and Greek gladiators, I suppose. So I decided to do this because I thought the helmet was quite interesting to go with the torso. I don't know, I'll keep it going. I think I'll try other helmets because they obviously had multitudes of different types of helmets and a lot of them were for decoration as well. So good speed for all three of them. I feel the first one was good proportions for the helmet. This area was a little bit too small for the shoulder socket as well. I don't know actually what that line is for. I don't know. So this area here on the left definitely needs improving. But on the whole, I feel quite happy with that one. However, that needs a little bit of attention as well. So yeah, on the whole, it's not too bad. Not the best, but not too bad. I utilised the geometrical and gestural methods for this one, and the angle of the shoulders I felt was the correct way, especially the fact that the head is slightly turned, so the body had to be slightly turned as well. Yeah, so that's that one. Number two, the helmet again was in proportion with the rest of the body. The torso was slightly better as well as the arm was slightly better. You don't actually see the neck, but you can get the gist that the guy was extremely well built and the neck is essentially hiding. So good speed, better torso, but I do need to work on the arms. The third one, I don't know what happened to the shoulders and the torso in the third one. I don't know what's happened with my third drawings lately. Well, not lately, in the past couple of hours. They're not working out. Not working out, guys. So I know what to do, and I don't know whether it's tiredness. Sorry, my camera's going everywhere. Yeah, I don't know whether it's tiredness or whether my hand needs a break, or I don't know. But I am glad at the fact that 2 worked out mostly instead of the last video which I uploaded. 2 out of 3 did not work, and even the third one wasn't great. So yeah, 2 out of 3 isn't too bad. Let me know what you guys think and what methods you utilise to draw, especially more complex and difficult positions or poses or topics essentially that you guys use. And I shall see you next time. Bye!